Karma Guy here. Check out this 2016 Ford F-150 SuperCrew Cab XL, a local Georgia trade-in with a full dealer service history, over $550 in recent service, and current GA emissions. It's a dealer-certified pre-owned truck, backed by our Quality Plus Warranty 3-month 3,000-mile, plus a discounted 5-year maintenance plan. Recent service includes a fresh oil change, spark plugs, and a clean computer scan with no trouble codes. Don't forget, you can ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade. Come see us today and drive away in this great truck.